Hey everyone, welcome back. The shave for today, even though I've already done a Heritage Hill themed week in correspondence to the release of Midnight Ride, this is one soap I didn't have during that week, and that is John Paul Jones. This is their take on a bay rum, but it's different bay rum. So the scent notes are bay rum, teakwood, cedar, bergamot, and patchouli. And the bergamot patchouli kind of really combine with the bay, and it's awesome. That's all I can say, is it is awesome. Now the razor is going to be the almighty Weck, because it's been a little bit since I've used one of those on video. And the brush is my Craving Shaving Soothsayer with a 26mm Duro knot. Everything has been whipped up beautifully in the HC&C bowl. Now the Weck, and I don't need this little blade protector thingy, has a Kismet blade in there. And I don't recall what use this is, but it's not new, but it's Kismet, so it's gonna last. And they're amazing. But anyway, man. So the John Paul Jones, I ordered this actually, I think the week after my Heritage Hill week. It's the one scent of theirs that I didn't have. And I've been meaning to get it, and I just finally just, you know what? I'm doing it. I need it. I want it. I don't need it. Yeah, I do. So I now have every scent of Heritage Hill. Well, unless you call unscented a scent. I don't have their unscented soap. But I do have Continental, which currently is not available. It is a seasonal scent that they're hoping to release again this year. That is a tangerine and menthol, and it's gorgeous. And then Tester of Sovereign and the Unobtainium Midnight Ride that didn't quite work out for the scent because it went Anchor, and then the released Midnight Ride and all the goodness. Now, as I mentioned in my giveaway video that Heritage Hill is sponsoring with the awesome knife and lighter, that's gonna be this video where I announce the winner of said items, but I'm not doing it yet. Why? Because I don't want to. And let's see if people actually stick around. Because why not, right? So this past week, last week we went back to our office, and we had to go in Tuesday and Thursday. And I take the train down in, and oh, it's blooping. Look at all the hair. And it blooped. So I take the train down to a stop right by one of the big hospitals, and then I hop on the commuter rail and go the rest of the way down to the expo center, and then walk 10 or so minutes to get to the office. And Monday, Tuesday worked just fine. Got there with no issues. Got to the office a little bit early so I could actually get to my desk before 8 o'clock. Coming home, the commuter rail that I was supposed to catch was late. So that made me miss my connecting train. Boop. So I didn't get home until shortly after 7. And then on Thursday, I was going in, and the train south was delayed 20 minutes. But I was able to catch my connecting light rail. I'm not sure what to call it because it's not a subway, it's all above ground. So I don't know what that is in the technical term, but light rail, commuter rail, whatever. I was able to catch that with, I just got off the train and walked in, was able to hop on this commuter rail and head straight to my next stop and get to the office just shortly after 8. Luckily, on my work phone, I have Microsoft Teams installed because we use Teams and Outlook and all the Microsoft stuff. So with Teams, I sent my boss a message going, hey, trains are delayed coming down to Salt Lake. I'll be in sometime after 8. I don't know when they'll be in because I don't know about connecting and all that other stuff. But luckily it wasn't too late. So I was able to get in just shortly after 8. And throughout the day between my calls and his calls and that, we were able to chat for a little bit. And we were talking about the train and the ride and coming in. And I said, yeah, Tuesday coming in, they were just fine. I was able to get here early and at my desk before 8 o'clock. And it was, no big deal. Going home, I was delayed, so I didn't go home until about right around a little bit after 7 o'clock. And his response, getting home that late is just stupid. Leave early. If you can, leave at like 3 and go home. And, there's no reason to go home that late. I said, that'd be great if I left then, but I have a call at 3:15 until 4 o'clock. And a customer call. And he said, well, leave after that. There's no reason you don't need to stay here until 5. Basically, I don't micromanage my people as long as you get your work done. As long as you get your work done, I don't care when you work. So, I keep dropping it. It keeps going off. So on Thursday, I had a call, same customer call, 3:15 to 4 o'clock. Ended up going a little bit over. But a friend of mine that I've known for years also works in the office. Different department. But we're on the same floor. So his days in the office are actually Monday and Wednesday. But he came in on Thursday. So we were able to chat, and I haven't seen him since I think October, November. I haven't seen him since then. But he was able to come in and give me a ride to a train station, not the light rail or commuter rail. So he took me to the train station. I was able to hop on the train and come right home. And I was home shortly after 6, or would have been if I hadn't stopped at my parents' house to get my boys. Because they went to their house after school. Anyway, I'm going to pause here and do the drawing.
All right, this is for the giveaway that Heritage Hill has been sponsoring with the knife and the lighter. So I have the URL in here. There are 11 comments that qualify with the hashtag. So good luck, everyone. Ronnie Shorty, you are the winner. Congratulations, man. Shoot me an email or send me a message on Instagram with your address, and I will get that over to the gentleman at Heritage Hill.
All right, so congratulations to the winner of the Heritage Hill custom knife and lighter. Go ahead and send me either an email at thetraveling-shaver.com, or not Traveling Shaver, I don't have a website, at gmail.com. Yeah. thetraveling-shaver@gmail.com, or shoot me an IM on Instagram, with your address. I will get that over to the gentleman at Heritage Hill, and they will get your prize sent out. You have a week to respond. If you don't respond, I'll do another drawing and pick someone else. All right. So if you don't hear from me by next Tuesday, you lose. Is it really? This one is a little bit thicker. Didn't need it thicker, just wanted it a little thicker. Looked a little thin. Plays against the green pass. All right. So anyway, he was able to get me there. My kids they go to school just right by my parents' house. So on Thursday, they stay after a little bit on school. Then go to my parents' house. Well, this Thursday, my dad sends out a text like, hey, can the boys stay here for dinner? And so they had dinner with my parents. Again, it's coming off the blade. And I was able to go and pick them up off because I drive past their neighborhood on my way home. So I was able to get them. And I was talking to my parents and chatted for a minute, and then came home and I had dinner because my wife and the youngest kid had already had dinner. So I ate dinner and enjoyed the rest of the evening. And then worked from home on Friday. Which was nice. I think there's a few people actually going to the office on Friday still, but this fun stuff they did this week, food trucks and all that, I don't think they were there on Friday. So, I know my one friend that works there, I think I've known for years, he wasn't going to go in on Thursday. On the way to the train, he mentioned he'll probably end up coming in to the office most days. Unless he's dealing with massive migraine or something, I'll see him in the office when I go in. I think his manager goes in every day too. They live close enough they can. It's not that far. I'm far enough away that I can actually be remote. Which I will do eventually. Not sure when, but I'll go remote. I haven't talked about the scent, but it is really good. That the patchouli and the bergamot really kind of play with that bay rum and make it a little bit sweeter. Which is quite pleasant. This is a very nice take on a bay rum. I can't say it's a bay rum because it doesn't have that normal bay rum vibe to it because of the patchouli and the bergamot and everything else. This is probably one that if they had this in 6 ounces, I would get 6 ounces. And of course, Midnight Ride, but I'm biased. I have Continental in 6 ounces. And I think Washington. I have one more in 6 ounce in a 6 ounce tub. I'll never get through them. But man, phenomenal shave. Heritage Hill never ceases to provide excellent cushion, excellent lather, beautiful shaves. The Weck with the Kismet blade also never fails to deliver a phenomenal shave as well. So again, seriously, if you have not checked out Heritage Hill, highly recommend it. $10 for 3 ounces. This is a hard soap. If you look like scooped out a lot there, but I'm also shaving my head. I have like 3 days growth. So I have plenty of soap still in my bowl, in my brush for a complete head shave, and I'll have plenty left over as well. A little bit goes a long way with Heritage Hill. Anyway, again, congratulations to the winner. You have until, we'll say next Monday, or Monday, to respond with your address. If I don't hear from you by Monday, I will pick a new winner. And I'll make a notation on the title of this video, if that happens, that a new winner will be picked next week. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble. So thank you guys again for tuning in. Thanks to all my subscribers, old subscribers, new subscribers. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Helps the channel grow, and I appreciate it. Anyway, thanks guys again for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.